What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Budget Buying. If you are ready to upgrade your bathroom experience with the ultimate in comfort and hygiene, you are in the right place. Today, we are counting down the top 5 best bidet toilet seats that offer the best value for your money. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Kerde Bidet Toilet Seat. The Kerde P30B Bidet Toilet Seat is designed to bring modern comfort, hygiene, and convenience into everyday bathroom use. Built with smart functionality and user-friendly controls, it offers a refined upgrade to traditional toilet seating with a focus on cleanliness, comfort, and efficiency. One of its standout features is the dual control system. Users can operate the seat either through the full-function side panel or the wireless remote control, allowing flexible and effortless access to all functions. This makes it easy for anyone in the household to adjust settings without difficulty. For a superior cleansing experience, the bidet provides a warm water wash with fully adjustable temperature and pressure settings. The self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle enhances hygiene while ensuring consistent performance. This combination delivers a refreshing and customizable cleaning experience suited for different user preferences. Comfort is further enhanced with a heated seat that includes multiple temperature levels, making cold mornings far more pleasant. After washing, the built-in warm air dryer offers a hands-free drying solution, reducing the need for toilet paper and adding extra convenience. The design also emphasizes energy efficiency and quiet operation. Its energy-saving technology helps reduce power consumption, while the quiet close lid prevents sudden slamming, maintaining a peaceful bathroom environment. For added safety and ease during nighttime use, the seat includes a soft LED night light. This gentle illumination helps users navigate comfortably in the dark without turning on bright lights, preserving a restful atmosphere. Overall, the Kerde P30B Bidet Toilet Seat combines intelligent features, comfort-driven design, and hygienic innovation, making it a practical and modern addition to any home bathroom. Coming in at number 4, the Wondersky Bidet Toilet Seat. The Wondersky Bidet Toilet Seat is designed to bring a modern upgrade to everyday bathroom comfort with advanced hygiene features and user-friendly controls. Before purchasing, it is important to carefully measure your toilet to ensure compatibility, as this model is specifically made for elongated toilets. The required distance from the bolt holes to the front of the toilet bowl should fall between 17.5 inches and 18.66 inches, helping ensure a proper and secure fit. This smart bidet seat comes equipped with a panel controller and LED display, allowing users to easily manage all settings with clarity and precision. Adjustments for seat temperature, warm water, and warm air drying can be made effortlessly, offering a fully customizable experience tailored to personal comfort preferences. For enhanced hygiene, the bidet provides multiple cleaning modes, including rear wash, feminine wash, strong rear wash, and soft wash. These options allow users to select the most suitable cleansing style for different needs. The built-in self-cleaning nozzles automatically rinse themselves before and after each use, maintaining cleanliness and improving long-term reliability. Comfort is a central feature of this smart toilet seat. The heated seat, warm water system, and warm air drying function work together to deliver a comfortable experience throughout the year, especially during colder seasons. By combining warmth with hands-free cleaning, it also promotes better hygiene while reducing the need for toilet paper. Overall, the Wondersky Bidet toilet seat transforms a standard bathroom setup into a more hygienic, comfortable, and efficient space through its intelligent design and adjustable comfort features. At number 3, we have the Loupusuo Bidet toilet seat. The Loupusuo Bidet toilet seat is a modern bathroom upgrade designed to bring enhanced hygiene, comfort, and convenience into daily life. Built as an all-in-one solution, it combines advanced washing functions with thoughtful comfort features to transform the traditional toilet experience into a more refined and refreshing routine. This electric bidet seat is equipped with multiple cleaning modes to suit different needs within the household. It includes auto wash, hip wash, feminine wash, turbo wash, and a dedicated child mode, allowing every user to select a comfortable and suitable cleansing option. These varied settings ensure a personalized and hygienic experience for all family members. Comfort is a key focus of the design. The heated seat provides warmth during use, eliminating the discomfort of sitting on a cold surface, especially during colder seasons. After washing, the built-in warm air dryer gently dries the user, reducing reliance on toilet paper and adding a layer of convenience and cleanliness to everyday bathroom use. For added usability, the bidet seat features a soft LED night light that makes nighttime use easier and more comfortable without harsh lighting. The slow-closing lid enhances the overall experience by preventing noise and ensuring smooth, quiet operation, contributing to a more peaceful bathroom environment. Ease of installation is another highlight. The product comes with a detailed instruction manual, step-by-step installation guidance, and all necessary accessories, allowing users to set it up without professional assistance. With its combination of multiple wash modes, heated seating, warm air drying, night lighting, and user-friendly installation, this bidet toilet seat delivers a complete upgrade to personal hygiene and bathroom comfort. Next up at number 2 is the SmartBidet SB-1000 bidet toilet seat. The SmartBidet SB-1000 bidet toilet seat is designed to transform everyday bathroom routines into a more hygienic, comfortable, and modern experience. Built with convenience and personalization in mind, it combines intelligent features with user-friendly operation to deliver a premium cleansing solution for any home. One of its standout aspects is its energy-saving design, which helps reduce unnecessary power usage through an efficient energy-saving mode. The soft closing lid and seat add a layer of comfort and safety while also making installation smoother and more convenient for daily use. The SB-1000 offers versatile cleansing options tailored to individual needs. Users can choose from front wash, backwash, and targeted oscillation modes, ensuring a more precise and refreshing clean every time. These settings allow for a customizable hygiene experience that adapts easily to different preferences. Water comfort is fully adjustable, giving users control over water pressure, temperature, and nozzle positioning. This flexibility ensures a gentle yet effective wash that can be fine-tuned for maximum comfort. For added comfort, the Smart Heated Seat features 3 adjustable warmth levels and includes a built-in skin sensor for safe activation, ensuring the seat is only heated when in use. This thoughtful feature enhances comfort, especially in colder environments. The experience is further elevated with an efficient warm air drying system, offering 5 different levels of airflow. This allows for a more comfortable, paper-free drying process that can be adjusted according to personal preference. With its blend of intelligent design, customizable settings, and comfort-focused features, the SmartBidet SB-1000 bidet toilet seat brings a refined and modern upgrade to everyday bathroom hygiene. Finally, at number 1, we have the Bidet JX2 bidet toilet seat. The Bidet JX2 bidet toilet seat is designed to bring modern comfort, hygiene, and convenience into everyday bathroom use. Built with a focus on advanced functionality and user-friendly design, it transforms a regular toilet experience into a more refreshing and sanitary routine. One of its standout features is the tankless on-demand water heating system, which ensures a continuous supply of warm water whenever needed. This eliminates waiting time and provides a consistently soothing wash experience. The temperature remains stable and comfortable, making it suitable for all seasons. The design of the JX2 is intentionally sleek and discreet. Its slim, low-profile build blends naturally with most bathroom interiors, while the whisper-quiet operation ensures minimal disturbance, maintaining a calm and peaceful environment at home. Hygiene is a key priority in its construction. The bidet includes a self-cleaning aluminum wash nozzle that helps maintain cleanliness before and after each use. This feature enhances overall sanitation and reduces the need for manual maintenance, supporting a more hygienic lifestyle. For added convenience, the Bidet JX2 is equipped with a white LED nightlight that automatically adjusts using an ambient light sensor. This makes nighttime use easier and safer without the need for bright overhead lighting, offering gentle illumination exactly when needed. Ease of use is another major advantage. The bidet comes with a clear and simple remote control that includes specially designed shortcut buttons, allowing users to quickly access preferred settings without complexity. This intuitive control system makes daily use straightforward for all age groups. Overall, the Bidet JX2 bidet toilet seat combines comfort, cleanliness, and smart design features to deliver a more refined and convenient bathroom experience. Want to bring that luxury spa feeling right into your own home? Check the price link in the description to find the perfect fit for your bathroom. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more smart home upgrades. Thanks for watching.